Have you ever seen a streetlight or a powerful outdoor lamp that just won't turn on? A completely dead light can be a mystery, but for a technician, it's a puzzle with a clear set of clues. Today, we're going to break down the most common reasons an HID lamp won't start and how to find the solution. Let's go through the checklist, from simplest fixes to more complex issues. Starting with number 1, the lamp is loose. This is the easiest problem to fix, but it's also a very common one. Just like a regular light bulb in your house, if a powerful HID lamp isn't screwed in all the way, it won't make a solid electrical connection. So what do? Always make sure the lamp is firmly screwed into the socket. The entire metal screw base should be hidden inside the socket rim. If the socket itself looks discolored, burned, or distorted, it means there's been a bad connection for a while. In that case, replacing the socket is the correct fix. Number 2, the wrong lamp. Powerful HID lights are not one size fits all. Different fixtures are designed for specific lamps. So what do? Always check the label on the lamp against the label inside the light fixture. These labels have special codes called ANSI numbers. For the light to work, these numbers must match perfectly. Using the wrong lamp can prevent it from starting at all. Number 3 is end of lamp life. Sometimes the most obvious answer is the right one. The lamp might be at the end of its life. So what do? The simplest first step is to replace the old lamp with a brand new one you know is good. If the new lamp lights up, the problem is solved. Number 4, incorrect burning position. This might sound strange, but many HID lamps are very specific about how they should be oriented. Some are designed to hang straight up, base up, some straight down, base down, and some can be horizontal. These positions are usually indicated by the code on the lamp, like BU for base up or BD for base down. So what do? If a lamp is installed in a position it wasn't designed for, it might refuse to start. Always make sure the lamp's recommended burning position matches how it's installed in the light fixture. Number 5 is end of ballast life. The ballast is the power brain of the light. It provides the initial voltage spike to start the lamp and then regulates the power. Just like any electronic part, ballast can wear out and fail. So what do? A professional will test the ballast to see if it's working properly. If it's not providing the right power, it needs to be replaced. Number 6 is the photo control is inoperative. Remember the photo control? It's the thing that tells the light when it's dark. If this part is broken, it won't ever tell the light to turn on. So what do? You can test this by covering the photocell to simulate darkness. A working photocell usually takes a few minutes to react. If you wait and the light still doesn't come on, you've likely found your problem. In that case, replace the photocell. Number 7 is the supply voltage is too low. The light fixture needs a minimum amount of electrical power from the main source to even begin to work. What do? A technician will use a voltmeter to check the voltage coming into the fixture. If it's too low, the light won't start. But as we discussed before, you have to be very careful not to measure the lamp's output voltage directly, as the incredibly high starting pulse can damage a normal voltmeter. Number 8 is HPS starter failure. This is another common culprit. The starter is part of the ballast that creates the initial high voltage spark to kickstart the lamp. If the starter fails, the lamp won't get the spark it needs. So what do? A technician will first check with a known good lamp. If that lamp also won't start, it's a strong sign the problem isn't the lamp, but the starter. In this case, the starter needs to be replaced. So the next time you see a dark streetlight, you'll know that the professional technician has a clear, logical plan to troubleshoot it, starting with the simplest possibilities and working their way to the solution. Thanks for listening.